Now we start creating the post in the Instagram. So we have to go back to our project and create two components. One is the post.js and the other is the post.js. And under the post.js, we type underscore our AFCE, and then we import the post. And then we go back to the post.js and also do the same thing to create the component. And then under this, we just type post. And then we back to the feed.js. And at here, we import the post component. And then we do the same to import the post from post. Now we remove the background color, and then we go to the website, and you can see we have these two posts. Now we are going to create these posts like this, and we just create the headers first. So we back to the post.js. The first thing we have to do is to import the icon. And we import the dot horizontal icon from hero icon, and this is to import these three dots. And then at here we add the class name, and it has the background color of white, and the paddings, the margin horizontally has 7 units, and also we have the border. And the border, we have a round corners, which is a small round corner. So now you can see we have the white background and it has some margin in between. And now we create another div, which has a flex and also the item center. And this will align these three items in a row. And also we add the item centers to align them vertically center. So we have these two class. And then we add the avatars. And this is from the Daisy UI, and we set it as the width and height of 10 units. And then we add the username. And the username has the class of small text. And also the font weight is semi-bold. And then we type the username. And then we type the dot horizontal icon. And then we set the height of 5 units. And then we close it. Now we back to here. You can see it has all these three things already appear, but they are close to each other, so we have to add the flex one. So now the username will take up all the space that left, so it will push the three dots to the end of the rectangle. And we also have to add the padding of 4 units. So now you can see it will much better that it has some space around the avatars, the username, and also the 3 dots. And now we can see the stories do not take up the whole length of the space, so we have to make some adjustment on the style. And so we back to the stories, and we should delete the max width, so this do not add the limitations on the length. So now it will take up the whole width. And now we can also delete these colors. So we back to the feed.js, and at the session we delete this color or delete this class. Now it will back to normal gray colors.